Leash was the second product that we came out with as a company, and one of our most useful. But we were a way different company back then, and it needed a lot of attention to bring it up to snuff.
This is the all-new Leash, a minimalist camera strap with unparalleled versatility that connects instantly, adjusts quickly, and stows anywhere.
Anchor links are what made Leash & Cuff special in the first place. This product is all about refinement though. Improving on that was difficult, but important.
Our third generation anchors have a thinner cord and angled overmold. This allows easier connection to leash and direct attachment to camera eyelets and third-party tripod plates. The links themselves are stronger and slimmer, capable of supporting 200 pounds.
The first Leash didn't come with a way of attaching an anchor to the bottom of a camera, which was kind of a shame because it works best when you have one anchor on the body of a camera and another one on the bottom. And this time, we're including the slimmest possible mounting solution with the product.
The anodized aluminum anchor mount expands your carry options and slims your setup, letting you adapt to different bodies, lenses, and carry styles. Wear Leash as a sling strap, neck strap, or shoulder strap. Use Leash with Peak Design pouches and with capture.
Using dual adjusters is a cue we took from our larger straps, but we needed something slimmer for Leash.
We really couldn't find a mechanism that we liked, so we had to make one from scratch.
A rear adjuster allows the user to set Leash's length to their body type and activity, while a front adjuster enables on-the-fly adjustment for active shooting.
Peak Design is a far different company than we were 5 years ago, aesthetically and otherwise. I really think that these products represent just about all we've learned from materials, construction, and design. And I think you're gonna love them.
Every single part of Leash is entirely custom, from its anodized aluminum hardware to its Hypalon and leather touch points, and its newly upgraded nylon webbing, now available in two classically handsome melange colorways. Leash, durable, versatile, ultra fast, and ultra portable by Peak Design.